Okay, so we have, let me see if we have all the student rep in here. Anyway, this is recorded. So what I will do is after this, I will I will send the link I'll post the link in YouTube, and then I'll send the link to all the student reps so that you all can always refer back. Okay, allow me to share my screen on this one. Okay, the main reasons that I'm calling this meeting is last Friday, we have received a confirmations from the registry that the MQA allowed us only to have 8 long semester and 2 short semester for engineering programs. But if you look at your current study plan, from 2022, actually this started from 2021, but it's already we can't do anything for 2021 students because they already complete all their short semester. But for 2022 and 2023 intakes, we were asked to look at how to reduce the semester from 8 long semester, 3 short semester to maximum 8 long and 2 short semester. So allow me to go from semester 1 to semester 4. Yeah. So means I'm addressing this for all the currently SEM 1 students. Because in your upcoming semester, right now, OMR just opened that you're supposed to register for upcoming semester. So if you are looking at my screen right now, you have taken Max 1, you are taking Max 1 right now, Engineering Design Analysis, or sometimes I call it Design 1, and PAM, Property and Applications of Material, and 2 MPU module, which is the U2 and U3, Life Skill, as well as the KIA. Okay, so that will give you 16 credits. So for the short semester, supposedly you have to take numerical method, and also MPU, I call this MPU 1A, falsafah dan isu semasa. And then for students who doesn't have a credit, hold on here. For students who doesn't have a credit in Bahasa Malaysia in SPM, then you will need to take this Bahasa Kebangsaan. But this one can be taken in any of the semester. So my proposal, because right now your current semester is that you have one short semester here, and then in 2025 February you have a second short semester here, and then you have a third short semester to do your industrial training over here, 2026. So what we have rescheduled it is that the semester 3.5 is now being distributed to all the long semester, meaning your sustainable development in engineering, you will be taking in your semester 3 in September 2024, and this MPU 1B, you will be taking it in the coming semester. Okay, so that will make your February semester 10 credits. Okay, so that applies to semester 1, currently semester 1 students, as well as current semester 2 students. Okay, so current semester 2 students, same thing. You are going to register for material and energy balance, as also the falsafah and isu semasa. And instead of the BM, you are going to take your another MPU module. So for those students who need the, we call it BKA, you can take it in your semester 3 because you can load up to 19 credits, but you cannot take more than 10 credits in a short semester. So any questions for all those who are in your semester 1 and semester 2? So because OMR is now open, and I just saw an email saying that there's issue with the OMR on the MPU subject, that you cannot see MPU subjects, right? If you can't see them, all you need to do is you let your student rep knows about this one, so you know who is your student rep, right, in semester 1 and semester 2. Just let them know. So by end of this week, by Friday, I will ask the name list from your student rep, with your ID and your student number that you cannot register with your OMR, then what I would do is I will ask KPAM to help to register the two MPU 1A and 1B for all of you for the semester 1 and 2 students. So you'll be taking falsafa as well as ethic. Yeah, for Malaysian student, for non-Malaysian student, then you'll be taking BM. Any questions? So then now you have one short semester in your semester, January 2025, you don't need to take any modules. You can go for holiday for year 1 student. That is actually a good news. Yeah, so then if you look at this, I will send all this file out to ask the faculty office to include this in all your study plan, your program handbook. Yeah, once this is confirmed, then we will give it to the faculty office to do this. I'm just to apologize for the very last minute change because we only get to know it on last Friday. So yes, for those who are asking that we can't take BKAs next semester, my suggestion is don't. You can take BKA in your semester 3, in your long semester, any of the long semester, because BKA is only 2 credits. So I would say, because these two, for MPU 1A and 1B, I know they are offered every short semester, but I'm not sure are they offered in long semester. They may be yes, they may be no, I'm not sure. So to be on the safe side, I didn't want you to take that in the long semester. So that's where I go like, let's do all the MPU 1A and B in the short semester and with one core module. So March semester, you'll be taking material and energy balance. September semester, you'll be taking numerical method and data analysis. Yeah, so then your BKA, do it in any of the long semester if you want to. Yeah, you can do it in SEM 3, you can do it in SEM 4, or even if you want to do it in SEM 7 or 8, it doesn't matter as long as you do it before you graduate. There is no rule to say which semester you can take it. Okay, so how may I know which semester are you from? Which intake? Are you from any of these 2 intake? If you want to follow your current semester plan, right? Because next year onwards, all these modules will not be offered in short semester. Means the semester 3.5 module will not be, the core module will not be offered in 3.5. So you are in semester 2, meaning CETS will be in long semester only. So if you follow your current study plan, what will happen is that you may find that you have extra semester and you cannot complete it and you have to do it later. That may affect your graduation. That is why I would strongly suggest you to follow this study plan, because EAC has made it very clear maximum credit per semester for long semester is 19 credit. For short semester is 10 credit. So for long semester, right, if let's say you take 4 modules plus this CETS, it will pile up to 20 credits, which is not allowed in EAC. So meaning you can't even register the extra, then there's no place for you to put it anymore until you have to reschedule some of your module, because CETS can be a prerequisite to other module as well. So then you have to push all your module, and then some of the module you have to take in year 4. Yeah, so I would suggest not to do that. So okay, so that is for year SEM 1. Okay, so that's for semester 2. I'm looking at the questions that have been raised by the students in the chat box. Yeah, so okay, for semester 2, so the semester 3, 4, and 5, don't worry first. I'm coming to that. So I need to address for year 1 and semester 1 and semester 2 students first, so that you have your semester 4.5 free. Okay. So if you don't, so please follow the new study plan. That if you register for SEM 2, M&E, and also MPU 1 and 2, MPU 1A and 1B, and then for SEM 1 students, you register for this numerical method and also MPU 1 and 2, 1A and 1B. Okay, so for this one is only for September 2023 intake as well as March 2023 intake. Yes, Wei Xiang?
Hi, Dr. Ines. Just wanted to double confirm, right? So now we are taking 2 MPUs in the next semester,
Yes,
2.5, right? And
yes,
that will result in semester 4.5 being empty if we follow exactly as the new
yes,
study plan, am I right?
yes.
So for the new study plan, is it okay for us to edit the study plan and then send for checking again?
Okay, you can edit, but your semester 4.5 has to be empty. So you can edit because some of you already done your study plan, my study plan this semester. You can actually invalidate it and redo your study plan. So that then
Alright, thank
you
you very
follow
much.
the new structure. So what I will do is later after this meeting, I will first send all the student rep this Excel spreadsheet. So you follow the tabs, yeah, because there's a different tab for different semester because I have to do it every semester depending on the majority of semester what modules they have taken. Okay.
Eunice,
Yes.
this is Jamila. Okay,
Hi,
it's just
Jamie.
it's just for the info for the student. Okay, right now for those who already approved the study plan and also in a draft status, they cannot submit for approval. Okay,
Oh,
because there is a system glitch. Okay, that ICT work on it right now. So
okay.
it's just for the student, you may plan the study plan, and maybe you can send to us, to me or Miss Eunice, to confirm it either is okay or not. Okay,
Mm.
and also we manually check lah. Eunice, we need to do manually check
Okay,
check
no
on that.
worries. No
Okay,
worries. We
so
will do that.
yeah, okay, so please email me if you're facing an issue with like the current semester module is not reflected. I will invalidate for you. Okay, but for now, for approved study plan, you cannot, because the edit button has been disabled, so you cannot do anything. So please just follow the sample study plan that Dr. Eunice provide here. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Right. Thank you.
So that thanks, Jamie. I'm not sure if Noshe is here because I think she can't join the meeting today. So because I know the system is
Probably.
yes.
Yeah, no, she here. I'm in.
Oh yes, so thank you. Because just now I saw your message that you
Yes.
yeah. Okay, so in case the students can't select this in their OMR, because I know OMR is open right now that they need to register for module. So I would urge all the semester 1 and semester 2 students to register for this their module. So semester 2 M&E, and then the MPU1 A and B, as well as semester 1 will be the numerical and MPU1 A and B. So in case if let's say they cannot register for MPU module, can they just register for their common module first, their core module, so that to log in, and then we do it for them? Is that the plan?
Okay, Dr. Eunice. Okay, first of all, I would like to apologize because of the MPU module is in, we have a system glitch actually currently. So the MPU module is not in the OMR list or OMR selection. So so what is your plan, Dr. Eunice? Is it you want them to add the MPU module during OMR tier 2.0, or how is it?
Because if let's say OMR tier 2.0, what happened is that then they cannot do their classroom selections in 1.5.
Correct.
Yeah, so
Meaning they cannot do the timetable selection during 1.5.
yes, I will prefer them to be able to have that options, then they can plan for their own timetable.
Okay, so roughly how many of them is affected on this new arrangement?
The entire engineering school, unfortunately. So the PD for mechanical and E&E is still working on their study plan because we only get to know this last Friday at 10 a.m. So it's sort of like throwing a wrench to all our study plan that we have. That's why I'm calling this, because I just get to know yesterday that the OMR opened. I thought I would have more time to look at this. But so this one, right now is under approval from the school side, and then once SPC approved, because I think we are doing circulations right now, then from the registry side, they will immediately change and update it in Curate.
Okay, so understand now. So meaning that we need to still wait for SPC to approve. Only then we can add the module on behalf of the student.
Yes, it will be done by today, 5 o'clock, because SBC is circulating right now as we speak.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. So if that the case, that is the request that they need to do a selection during 1.5 timetable time.
Yes,
So we don't have any others option except by I need to add the module one by one lah for the student.
Thank you so much. But for those students, if let's say any of you still insist you want to take BKA and not the MPU 1 in this semester, then you want to do your MPU 1B in the long semester. Noshi, do you have any idea if MPU 1 is offered in long semester? Hey, Noshi, are you still with us?
Yes. Again, sorry, Dr. Eunice, your question?
Is MPU 1 is offered in long semester, meaning April?
Okay, let me check that one in a short while. I'll give back to you.
Okay, because I just want to confirm so that the students, if they want to take back the BKA in short semester, then they can still have this slot to do their MPU 1B. If not, then they will have to extend semester. Okay, so yes, Damas, I saw that what module should we take for semester? So I assume you're currently in semester 1. Yes, I see you raise your hand. You may speak.
So there is MPU 1, where it's written, I don't know, Falasa Dan and Bahasa Melayu. What's the difference between the two, or we should just take the two?
You have to take both. They are two different modules. So yeah, so there are two different MPU module. So for international students, one of the module you have to take is Bahasa Melayu, and then for Malaysian students, they are not taking Bahasa Melayu because that is a national language for Malaysians. Then they have to take the article and peradaban. Yeah, so it's basically ethics module. Okay, so that in your OMR, if you can register for MPU, please go ahead and register for those two MPU module. Follow the new revised study plan, yeah? So that your semester 3.5 or 4.5 will be free according to the new timeline. Okay, so that's sort out with semester 1 and semester 2 students. So I do have students talk about October semester or even January semester. Okay, so this is a bit tricky. October semester is a special semester where you have taken some of the module in over there. So before I continue, yes, Noshi?
Okay, checking already for MPU 3232 BKA, is offered during February 2024 as well as for April 2024.
Thank you. What about the MPU? What was that again? The okay, they have different code for different semester.
Yeah.
Because we have so many MPU now because of the recent change. Okay, so what about the ethic and peradaban and also Bahasa Melayu Komunikasi 2?
For BMK 2, the code is
3143.
3143 is offered for February and April 2024 as well.
And what about 3142? Because we have different code.
Another one is 3142, right?
Yes, I think the other one is 3142, if I'm not mistaken.
Or which one? The Penghayatan Etika and Peradaban?
Yes.
That one is 3183.
3183, yes.
Yeah, it's offered for February and April as well.
Okay, so meaning the students, if let's say they want to do BKA in short semester, they can. Then they can do their komunikasi in long semester. It's not an issue.
Yes, correct.
Thank you. Okay, so that will explains that. Okay, so let's see. I'm still looking at So what module should we take for SEM 2? I think Damas already answered you. your CETS in semester 4.5, that is where for you, right, because you are September or March semester, if I'm not mistaken, just now you mentioned. So your CETS you'll be taking in your semester 5, March 2025 semester. Okay, so for Gulan Bahu, yours is from October 2020. So now I'm coming to October and January 2023. October 22 and January 23. These two cohorts in the same cohort. But for October semester, you've already taken one October semester and one January semester. So for this group of students, you actually can have a break for the short semester. So, but it's up to you. If some of you says, but I'm not going back to my country, if let's say international student, I want to take module, you can take any of this module. It's not to say, because we have already informed our RQAs to say, if the students insist they want to take, we are not going to say no to you. So this semester, you actually get to have a free, like a off semester, where for those who wants to go for vacations and all that, you can. For January 2023 intake as well as October 2022 intake. Yeah, so then you follow the new study plan. But if you say, oh, I want to follow my original study plan, then you may enroll in any of this module. Okay. Is that clear for students from October as well as January semester for 2023 and October 2022? I'm not going to 2022 August yet because you have another different study plan. Okay, so let me see. Okay, I have this direct message from Tom. Does it mean we need to choose 2 core module for our SEM 3.5? No. If let's say you are from, depending currently which semester you are from, if you are from semester 1, September semester, you choose numerical method. If you are from semester 2, currently who is taking engineering mathematics 2, thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, and etc., then you choose what is this? Material and energy balance. Okay. So Ray, is Falsafa offered in February 2024? The answer is yes, Falsafa is offered in 2024 February. Okay. For semester 1, I've seen 5 modules, but currently taking 4. So Damas, may I know which module that you don't have? You may just unmute yourself so that we resolve this.
The millennials in Malaysia.
Okay, this one you're not taking. So in the events, how come you're not taking this? Is
I
it
don't-
registered for you, or are you a credit transfer student?
No.
Oh, this is unexpected because this is compulsory for all the students though. Are you taking any other MPU or any other MPU subject that is not from here?
No.
So meaning you only have 14.
Yeah, I guess. 'Cause I only have like 4. Like engineering, mathematics, design and analysis, properties and application, and life skills for success and
Sorry.
well-being.
Sorry. Tom, which semester are you in now? Sorry, is that Tom or Damas? Who am I talking to? Okay, so Damas, which you are from currently you're taking mathematics 1, design analysis, and are you taking any of these 2? The life
Yeah,
skill,
life
Kia,
skill, yeah. Life
I-
skill.
you're taking life skill. How about Khusus integrity and anti-rasuah?
No, that wasn't in my timetable or something like that.
Oh, okay.
Because I didn't have like to choose my like on OMR. I didn't do that because the time like my application took, I couldn't do it. So since my application took time, by the time it was done, I think the OMR was completely done. I don't know.
Okay, so no worries. So anything,
Sorry, Dr. Eunice.
yes.
Dr. Eunice, for semester 1 student is auto-register for them actually.
Yes, that's why I'm a bit shocked
Yeah.
to hear that he's not taking this module. But in
Yeah.
the event, if let's say it's not in there, what the students can do is to take this module, either in semester, long semester, April semester, because it will be definitely offered. So then the students will have to take the Kia module. Yeah, that must be, then means you will have 5 or 6 modules, depends. I don't think you need BKA. So you will have these 4 modules plus your Kia if you are not taking it this semester. If not, you won't be able to graduate though. Make sure you have this module in there.
By the way, Damas, can you give us your student ID number so that I can check in the system?
0369.
Can you put in the chat box?
Thank you, Noshi. Okay,
Thank you.
let me just continue to look at this. How do we change our study plan? So for home, I don't have to change it first. So what I want to address is if you follow this for your OMR registrations first, then when the system is back, because since now it has glitched, so I wouldn't suggest you to change anything in your My Study Plan in the portal, but your OMR registrations, please, you can follow this first. Okay. Can we take Falsafah for January 2023 next SEM? 2023 was already over. So I'm going to skip that. Okay, Tom is in semester 3. Semester 3 means your 2022 intake. Or this. Okay, now my eye am coming to here. Okay, so I'm seeing quite a number of messages. Okay, allow me to continue with this one first. So do you all have any questions for 2022 October intake and 2023 January intake? So for those who are doing wanted to do 2+2, right, for January, March and September 2023, if you follow the new study plan, you will still be able to get the transfer. It's just that you remember you have to change your 4 credits here to the credits, like if UOB, it has 4 modules that is needed. And if it's because University of Leek is coming up, so it will have different modules. And also, like if you are going for Queensland, they have different requirements. So these 4 modules, you put in the modules that needed for the university that you want to transfer to. Okay, so if you follow this study plan for 2023 intakes, currently SEM 1, SEM 2, as well as the I will call this SEM 2.5 so those in January as well as October intake. Yes, Gulam.
Miss, actually, I am from October semester 2022. So, am I supposed to take a break in upcoming Feb semester?
So if you want to, you can. But if you don't want to, then you can take some of this module here.
Okay. As I am only having 1 module in January semester, so if I skip that semester, so then when I am taking that module?
So if you're skipping that, you can actually put it in any of the semester, the following semester, as long as your credit doesn't, okay, what module do you have? Because I don't have an October study plan with me.
I think Miss, the one, I don't remember the name, but the 2 come together like Falsafa and one another. I have already done with Falsafa, but the another one I didn't.
Okay, Falsafah you have done, so it will be this one, Bahasa Melayu Komunikasi.
No, I have also done this one.
Oh, then you shouldn't have any module here, unless it's a core module. Core module, I would suggest you to take it in long semester. Is you gain more time to study, because for short semester, core module is actually quite hectic. Because
Okay.
there's only 2 MPU modules that to be taken in short semester. There's Falsafah and this Bahasa Melayu Komunikasi 2. If you have taken these 2, right, means you then whatever you have here is a core module. Take it in any of the long semester. So in your case, right, I would suggest once we have that fixed, you drop me an email so that we can ask the registry to specifically close the module for January or February 2024 for you, so that you don't have to defer semester. Because the moment defer semester, your student visa will be cancelled, which is something that I want to avoid. Okay, so after this, drop me an email to say according to new study plans, you don't need to take any module in your upcoming February 2024 short semester or January 2024 short semester. You just send me the email, and then with your student ID and student name, then I can send it to the registry to make sure that you don't need to defer the semester, that your student's visa will not be cancelled. Okay?
Yeah, sure, Miss. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So let me see, I have quite a number. Elective, no. Overseas transfer, we are going to come to that. Okay, Q&A, yes. Okay, August semester, I'm coming to that now. So credit transfer, we'll address that. Okay. Okay, so let's come to August semester. 2022. I'm going to addressing this semester by semester. Yeah. So if you are currently in semester 3, yeah. Gulam, do you still have any questions? Because I see your hand is still raised. If not, I'm just going to go through the current semester 3. If following this oops, what is this? I see something draw on my screen. Okay. Just give me a moment. Okay, so now if you're looking at the semester 3, so means students who are taking engineering, design and project management, material and energy balance, biochem, and 1 free elective. Okay, for this semester, if you are intending to transfer to UOB, okay, so for those who need to transfer to UOB, because you have not taken sustainable development in engineering, you need to register for this short semester. So meaning you have to register for the upcoming semester for those who wants to transfer to UOB. Okay, so for those who doesn't need to transfer to UOB, you can actually take a semester off. That you can, that's up to you. So I leave this choice to you all. Do you all want to take a sem break, or do you want to continue? Okay, so that's the flexibility given to all the 2022 intakes. Because if you want, you have a plans to go overseas just for vacations and all that, you can take this semester off. And then your plan is that the modules that is missing, sustainable development, you can take it in semester 7. And your MPU 1, the ethical, you can take it in semester 8. Okay, so means you push these 2 modules at the end of your study. That is for August 2022. So for those who need to do UOB transfer, you have no choice but, or any other university transfer, you have no choice but to take your short semester with the module, because you have taken 1 free elective here. Okay, so that's one. Any questions for the UOB, University of Birmingham? Okay, so for those, anyone who do 2+2 intend to go overseas for your 2+2, be it for UK or Australia, then I would strongly suggest you to take up the short semester, registering your Sustainable Development in Engineering as well as your MPU1 subject. And for the rest, it's up to you. If you want to take a break, you can. Then you follow the new study plan. If not, then you just proceed, because for your semester, I will open it up for you all to choose which route you want to go. Same with March semester 2022. Okay, so allow me to come to here. So March semester 2022, because you have taken all this module, those are really grayed out. So right now, August semester, you are supposed to take the 4 minor subjects or the free elective, or those are already going for your international students exchange. So then again, it's up to you. You can take your CETS. You can actually, for March intake students currently in your semester 4, for those who wants to do 2+2, you can either take the module in this short semester, or you can actually opt to have this short semester free, but you take it together with your other 3 core module, which is your separations, reaction engineering, and mass transfer and CETS. For those who are doing 2+2 with UOB, you don't need separations, you will need process control and instrumentation. So again, you have to refer back what is needed. But CETS, you can do it over here in your March or April 2024 semester. Any questions so far? Okay, next semester, sorry, we are all starting in February, because yesterday when I changed this, right, the previous group is always like January, March, and August. So I managed to change the latest one, but some of this group I get mixed up. So it would be April, sorry, and February, because there's a change in semester. Okay. So that explained it. So for this one, again, if let's say you want your next semester free for March intake, current semester 4 students, you can do it in your final semester, because there will be room for you to do it. So 12 plus 3, you get 15 credits here. Yeah. Okay. So that's for March semester. For January semester, again, whatever you have taken, we can't change that. So meaning you have done your January short semester one time, a second January short semester in over this year. So meaning we won't be able to change that. And the upcoming short semester, you only have one module, chemical engineering thermodynamics. My strong recommendation is just give yourself one semester off, push it to your year in April semester. Sorry, again, I need to change this. That is my recommendation. Any questions so far, class? Okay, so let me address some of these questions here. Okay, Damas, you make sure you are going for your class because you are actually active for that class, but you didn't go for it. You don't have falsafa module, so you can't choose during the short semester. That's where we have been saying that there's a glitch in the system where you cannot enroll in these MPU subjects. So for those students, please give your name and your ID to your student rep latest by this Friday, and I need all the student rep to help me to compile it with the student's name and the student's ID that they cannot register for the MPU subject because there's a glitch in the system. So what I would do is after that on Friday, I will send it to Miss Norshe. She will help us to She'll help us to do a manual add-on to all of you so that you can do a timetable scheduling later in 1.5. Okay, so let me go back to the questions here. So Goham, I see that your hand has been raised for a long time. So do you have any questions? If no, then I'll address the questions. So can we have Q&A sessions later for them to ask questions because our batch has class later? Yes, if let's say you want that, we can always schedule a different time for Q&A. Okay, August 2022 student who are in SEM 3 right now, I think I already shared that. Later, I'll send this file to your student rep. You can take a look at it. If you're doing credit transfer, the module that changed to year 3 and able to finish before we transfer. So that's why for those who are in 2022 intake, you will need to do your short semester. Like what I mentioned, like January, you don't need to because it's already done. But for March also you have the options because for UK transfer is only in September, means when you do your April semester, you will still be on time to do the transfer. However, if let's say you don't want to take that risk, you want to do it in short semester, so for January, March, and August semester is optional. The module will be offered in February semester where you can take it. Okay, so same with August semester. Okay, Hong, why are you taking your minor next semester? Can it possible to push material and energy balance to April semester? Unfortunately, material and energy balance, since it is offered this time in February, it will not be offered in April semester. So please do not do that. Please follow the study plan. Okay, I don't have falsafa issue module, so I can't choose in short semester. That one we'll address it. So that one we have done. If I'm planning to take twinning program, how do you know which elective I need to choose? If you are doing a twinning program, you don't choose any elective module. You have to go to UPS, the University Placement Service, to tell them which university you want to transfer to so that they can give you the list of the modules that are required to be transferred. So with that, then you see what are the modules you have not taken, you take those modules. Because every university has a different module requirement for you to free up that to fill up the free elective slots in here. So please talk to the UPS. Okay, they have put up the mapping, like if I'm not mistaken, Queensland have put up the mapping to say, okay, this module will transfer to what in their curriculum, and then module A will transfer to whatever module in their curriculum. So you have to follow those modules. Then UOB has University of Birmingham has 4 modules that you need to complete. That 3 taken from semester 5 and 1 taken from semester 6 to be put in here to do that transfer. So every university is different. So you make up your mind which university you want to go to. Then you go to UPS to ask them for the list. Okay. Tom, you asked me, do we ignore the MPU subjects? Please do not ignore it. If you don't have it, then you give your name list to your student rep. If you have taken the Attica and Parabadan, do we take falsafa? Yes, if you have not taken that. We start in February semester. If I'm planning to take twinning program, which elective again? I think I have answered that. For SEM 1.5, MPU is mandatory. We can only change for engineering module. Everything is mandatory, so you can't change for engineering module as well. Okay, is the free structures a factor for this new study plan, or is still the same? So at this moment, because whatever you pay is by credits, so meaning there will be like, because now you already free up 1 semester, so you won't be paying for that semester, but the module, because you are taking extra module in extra semester in different semester, those module, like for example in this case, right, supposing you have to pay for 7 credit in this semester, and for this semester, if let's say you don't have that BKA, you only pay for 7 credits. In this case, you will be paying for 10. But overall, when you calculate the total amount, it will still be the same, because our system here is counted by credit. So be it previously was 136, now it's still 136. There's no change in credits, total credits. But in terms of module level itself, the semester itself, you can see semester 7 previously was 12, now it's 16, because you have removed this semester over here into this. Okay. So, okay, Pauline, for semester intake 2023, the sustainable have to be taken in which semester if I were to transfer to UOB? So you just follow whichever intake you're from. As long as you follow the new intake, you can do transfer. So you see your sustainable is here. It's already put back in your third semester. 3 means you're going to take it in September semester. So just follow the new study plan that is going to be given to all the student rep that will forward to you in your message. So what do you mean by you can't take falsified in SEM 3.5? So I assume you are from August semester, where previously you have a extra semester. That's where I said you can actually do it in your final semester. For Jeremy, if you can't take falsified for SEM 3.5, what MPU do I take? There's no module for you to take. I have friends, she already takes sustainable and she have received internship, so should process internship or take a break. Is she here? May I know who is this student?
Miss is me.
Okay, Chi Chong. So you have already, are you credit transfer?
No, she not taking credit transfer.
No, I mean, is she an advanced study? Means is she from other university that has given credit transfer?
No. He actually from Taylor's, but he cannot go in the link you provided.
Okay, so no worries. But why is she taking internship?
Don't know. Because she received the email, asked her to take the internship.
Ask her to take internship. Only students who have completed or is currently doing at least semester 5 that will be going for internship. So everyone here is not until semester 5 yet. So none of you here are actually eligible for internship.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm a bit surprised unless she is advanced standing students, means she has studied chemical engineering in another university that she has credit transfer from that university to come to Taylor's, because we do have some students straight away transfer in. They only take like engineering design together with you all, and then after that they go to year 3. Then those students are eligible for internship. Else, if you have not completed up to the semester 5 modules with your minor, you won't be able to go for internship. The company will just send you back later.
Okay.
Because the student will not have enough technical knowledge to do internship. So can you ask the students, your friends, to email me and to tell me what is going on? Semester 4.
Okay. All right, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so Gulam, you can, okay, you have material and energy balance in February. So it's over here because you're slightly different from the other cohort. Are you intending, Gulab, are you still here? Are you intending to do 2+2 to partner university, or will you be staying here until completion?
Actually, Miss, I have already approached Miss Iris at UPS Taylors, and I am currently doing 1+3 at Australia.
Okay, so in that case, then I will suggest you to just proceed with your short semester then.
Okay, so I should not skip this semester.
Yeah,
No.
then don't skip. My advice is don't skip.
Actually, I am already transferring in this Feb intake to Australia.
Oh,
So
okay. So they have already allowed you to transfer even without the material energy balance module?
yes.
Okay, that's surprising. Then just go.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Hong, if let's say that's the case, right, then you have to redo your own, if you want to take a minor this semester, then you will have to redo your own study plan, yeah? But before you submit, then you let me have a look first. Yours, it will be a special case. Sorry, I just lost. Okay. So if we are not taking any module in short semester, do we leave blank on OMR? Not sure what do they do. If let's say now because of the new study plan, they don't need that. And I don't think they need deferment, because if it's the administration's wide, they can have an off. Not sure, are you still here with us? Okay, no, she's not here. So, okay, in that case, right, I have no answer for you at this moment, because I have no idea, or can we just close it? You don't have to do anything, because I need to speak to registry to see how we want to close this for you. So what I would suggest for the students rep in August semester and March semester 2022, can you help me to gather a list of students who is taking short semester in February, who is not taking short semester in February? Then at least I have the complete name list that I can talk to registry to one by one manually close the semester for you, so you don't have to defer the semester. Okay. Okay, any other questions? So, what are the prerequisite module to transfer to UOB from Jeremy? Please go to UPS to ask. Yeah, please go to UPS to ask for the list. Since it's not in my timetable, okay, that one I think Damas is correct, is liaising with this. So all MPU has to be completed before transferring to university. Okay, that is a very interesting question, because the answer is yes and no. Some university, they transfer the UPS, the MPU module into some of their university compulsory module. Some university says that you don't need to, because no matter what you take in Taylor's, you will have to do it again in their country, because it's their country requirement. So again, I don't have a firm answer to say you must do MPU or you don't need to do MPU, because every university that our partner is, so far we have 7, all are giving us different answers. Some say yes, some say no. So the best thing is to go to UPS, talk to Miss Iris, get a list of the module transfer list, because they have that what module you need to complete so that you can do that transfer. Then you look at the list. If the list says MPU is part of it, then you have to take the MPU. If the list says MPU is not going to be transferred, you don't need MPU. Okay, so Atiya, Raj, I hope I answer your questions, and I hope I answer questions for all the students who want to do the 2+2. Okay, Sing Yi, For September 2023 intakes, to credit transfer to UOB, we just need to follow the study plan and take module required by UOB instead of free elective on semester 4. Yes, that is correct. So meaning for September semester, you follow the new study plan, but these 4 modules, you don't have to do anything yet, okay? Because next semester in April 2024, I will come in to talk to your whole batch, because we always have these communications when the students are in semester 2, week 4 and week 5, where we ask you to complete my study plan. That's where we will sit down and talk about, okay, what do you need to do? Okay, so from there, then I'll brief you up. But if you want to know what are the modules for UOB transfer, you can always go to UPS and ask them, because sometimes they may have an update and say, okay, this semester I want this module. Because sometimes there has not been update for a long time, but who knows that UOB suddenly says that, oh, I realized actually the student need this module, then they may change the module. So always go to the University Placement Service to get the latest module list for transfer. Okay, I think I have addressed to all this. If we have already choose free elective, do we still have a chance to choose any minor? Okay, for September intake 2023, you have not choose any minor yet, and you do not have to choose any free elective yet. So for September 2023, students who are in your semester 1, you just follow this study plan. In April 2024, I will come in together with Miss Jamie and sometimes Miss Noshe as well to talk to you on what do we need to do with your minor choose, or do you want to do free elective, or do you want to do international students exchange, or do you want to do 2+2? We will talk about it next semester, in April semester. So you still have time. Don't have to worry about that for September 2023 intake. We will do it when halfway doing. Most of the time I choose, or I borrow the engineering mathematics 2 module slot to talk to you on this one. Okay. Any other questions? I hope this is clear. So all you need to do for the current OMR is to register the modules that is needed, that is written in here for 2023 intake. And then 2022 intakes is, I leave it up to you what you want to do. But generally, you really can consider a semester off. For March, you can still have an off. But for August, for those who want to transfer, you cannot have that off. Yeah, then you need that. You need to do the transfer. Okay, any other questions before we close this session? Because I know it's 4 o'clock, some of you may have classes. So if no, then feel free to just drop me an email or speak to your student rep. Yeah, you know who is your student rep in your class. So speak to them and they can address the questions in the chat box, because I have a WhatsApp group with them. So they can just throw me questions in there. That will be the fastest for me to respond to. So if you have any questions, so student rep, if let's say you do not know your classmate, right, make sure you introduce yourself to your class and to tell them that anything's come to you. Then it's easier for us to communicate. Okay, thank you very much. And all the best in your module selections. I'll see you all when I see you again. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.